Yan. So, ito naman is firing order nito is ito. Firing order is 132. Okay. So, let's start. So, syempre, sa cylinder number 1 natin is compression, power, exhaust, then intake. After nun is, panoorin natin yung parang pinaka-previous video na to. Next natin na magko-compression is number 3. Okay, kasi ang firing order natin is this one. 1, 3, and 2. Okay. So, next natin is magko-compress number 3. Saan dito? Yung pang 240 degrees. So, ibig sabihin compression, power, exhaust. Then may sobra dyan. Dito na rin yung exhaust. And intake. Then, sunod na magko-compression. After sunod na magko-compression is number 2. Kasi nga firing order natin is 132. So, compression natin is pang 480 degrees. So, compression, power, tapos may naiwang power. Okay, kadugsong niya dun. Then, exhaust, also intake. Okay, then let's follow yung video na ipa-play ko ngayon. May video to after. Okay, so most likely ang ipa-follow nyo, tignan nyo sa mga eto, yan, tapos eto yung hahanapin nyo kung magkakasunod, eto, then eto. Okay, yan yung ipa-follow nyo dun sa video right now.